Welcome. If you want to get more widgets on your iPhone 12 mini, at the first you have to go for the App Store, then tap on the search pool and type here widgets. Then tap on the search button, and I can recommend you this application, the color widgets. So let's take this one. Now simply open, click next, and we are going to choose our first widget. So I will take probably this one with the Christmas Eve. So click, then tap continue. Here we get the description how we can add this widget. Click continue, then move to the widgets, click edit. Click on the left upper corner and select our new widget. We have 3 sizes as usual, so I will go for this one. Click to add the widget, and we can leave it, for example, on the widget list, but we can move it also for our home screen like that. And of course, when you enter this application one more time, you are able to pick up other widgets and you can customize them. So just have fun and enjoy this simple tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.